So now we move on to the last section of the Evangelion Unit 1 test type assembly process, which is the head. Of all these sections, the head involves the most detailed painting, and I'll show you what I mean by looking at the parts up close. Now looking at the top of half of the head, apart from the candy metallic greens and purples which are lacquer, the eyes, the black and white eyes, and the scars, the red scars, have been painted in acrylic paint, and the grooves have been panelined in black. This is the mid section of the head. Then we move on to the top half of the mouth. The outer part is the candy metallic blue, while the inner part is painted in acrylic red. Outer part of the lower half of the mouth is also in lacquer, while the inner part is in acrylic red. Now let's put them together. The top half of the head goes on to the mid section. The fitting should be quite loose for now until I can fix the top half of the head onto the upper jaw, which I'm holding in my left hand now. So that goes into the top half of the head, snapping the midsection in place. I'm going off camera a bit again. It's difficult assembling at this angle. So trying to look at the connections to the top half of the jaw or mouth, and that's that point. You should snap in there, and it will hold the midsection in place as it connects to the top half of the head. Now that's done, we have the lower half of the mouth, which should attach via a hinge-like joint to the top half of the jaw. This is quite loose, so I'll need to push it in further. Let's have a closer look. That's the hinge. Hopefully the connection is not as loose as the back half of the neck. There. The hinge allows the mouth to be opened and closed. Here it's open. There it can close. Oops. A certain part of the midsection has come out. I haven't glued them together. It's all have been a snap fit basis, so that's why some parts are coming loose. So that's the head for the Evangelion Unit 1 test type. The final section of the Evangelion before we proceed to final assembly.